Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
TUI has cancelled their flights from UK to Goa. This is a setback to Goa to certain extent. From our side, we have requested Goa government in the end of August to request MHA to allow a travel bubble to operate into Goa from UK, Russia, and other Poland, other countries which operates charter flights into Goa, along with facility for visa opening of a portal which is as of now not allowed for foreigners coming into India. We request government to announce that charter flights will be allowed, because unless this announcement is made, we cannot start taking the bookings at our source market. So this is very, very key. As far as silver lining is concerned, the domestic tourists have started with long weekends. Occupancy rates in Goa are quite good. Secondly, the addition flights are also adding up into Goa. So gradually and slowly, the tourism is a little bit coming back on track. But I think we have miles to go ahead before actually, we pick up the numbers and the business is there for all the hotels in Goa. For charters specific, we require them to start because they support small hotels in big way, and the type of tourists which come in these flights, they are long stay, 14 days, 15 days, maybe 21 days in certain cases. Our survival. As things open up, we'll find a lot and more people start coming into Goa. By already we see people are coming by roads. People are started coming by flights. The borders are open up, so we have a road transport which is already started, and with the free frequency of trains also which are coming in, I think tourism will pick up, but we have to be very careful in following all the guidelines which are required to keep ourselves safe, keep the tourists safe, and people around us safe.
मायनिंग बंद, सगळेच वाटेन येणावळ बुडल्या. तातूंत पर्यटनाक उभारी दितले जाल्यार सरकारान काही ठोस पावलां उखलची पडटलीं. TTAGच्या मागणेचेरूय सरकारान खंय सिरियस विचार करचो. प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर महेश घाडी.